Diyos maray na hapon, Bicolandia at Diyos maray na hapon mga kasurog. This is your Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurog pa, andito tayo ngayon sa napakagandang bayan ng Mobo Masbate para sa ating Day 15 of Elimination. Pero bago ang lahat, partner, pasalamatan muna natin ang butihing mayor ng Mobo Masbate na si Mayor Raymond Donny Salvacion at ang LGU Mobo for having us here. And of course, this will be an exciting ball game again. Double header tayo ngayong hapon. Ang una, laban ng Masbate City at Mandaon. At mamaya, partner, the home team Mobo ay makakaharap naman itong mga taga-balot dito. And of course, I'm Coach Paul Sepe, ang inyong magiging basketball analyst for this afternoon. At kasama ko ngayon si David Joshua Bernales or si Burns for the play-by-play. Hello Burns, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon Coach, and sa ating mga manonood, sa ating mga live social media platforms, and syempre dito sa loob ng ating covered court. Masbate, maganda yung performance nila last game, pero they came up short against their opponents, and syempre dito naman sa Mandaon, they still have yet to find their first win in this ball game. Pero yon, Coach, wag na natin patagalin, tawagin na natin ng ating arena announcer na si JV Saldivar.
Magandang hapon, Bicolandia! This is your Day 15 of Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, brought to you by Congressman Saldico at Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasunod pa. We welcome you everyone inside the Laguna Covered Court for our double header matchup. For our first game, we'll be having Team Masbate City versus Team Mandaon. And for the first fight for Team Mandaon, wearing jersey number 5, Darwin Ramiro. Wearing jersey number 10, Kevin Oliva. Wearing jersey number 18, Estefano Candidato Jr. Wearing jersey number 23, Champo Labelliar. And wearing jersey number 27, Edmond Cornell Jr. And for the first fight for Team Masbate City, wearing jersey number 1, Luigi Cuyos. Wearing jersey number 17, Christian Evangelista. Wearing jersey number 2, Che Buhawan. Wearing jersey number 23, Brian Mulion. And wearing jersey number 30, Karatia Tanao. And for the officials for this ball game, crew chief Robin Marinisa. Number 1, Bulaman Chumasara, and number 2, CJ Sanchez. This is the Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, ating to!
And ayun na nga Coach, no, as we go underway dito sa ating tip-off, makikita natin kung yung mga changes ba ng mga coaching staff from both teams ay magiging effective dito sa ball game na ito. Ayan, ball possession will go into the hands of Masbate. Cuyos with that three-pointer, no good, pero Danao with the offensive rebound. And matatawagan ng foul dito si jersey number 18 ng Mandaon, Candidato Jr.
Foul number 18, Estefano Candidato Jr.
Maaga pa lang partner itong foul itong ni Candidato Jr. First personal foul, first team foul for Team Mandaon.
Ayan, Bulawan gets that inbound pass, passes to the corner to his teammate Cuyos. Extra pass to his teammate number 23, Muliolo, with that long range two-pointer. First bucket mapupunta sa team ng Masbate. Double team dito on the side of Masbate. Ball goes out of bounds.
Maagang maaga yung pressure na pinapakita dito mga taga Masbate City with the 2-2-1 full court press. At walang nagawa doon itong si Jempol Abiliar but to turn the ball over.
Medyo aggressive ngayon ang plays ng ating team Masbate. Pero yan, Danao to the corner. Cuyos open for that three-pointer. Does not go in. Mandaon ngayon ang nasa opensa. Corner pass to the corner. Intercepted there by Mulion. Pero mapupunta pa rin sa Mandaon ng bola. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Abellar with the ball.
Both teams
Stops and pops for 3. In and out. Masbate ngayon, nasa opensa. Danao with the ball. Layup, no good. Masyadong malakas yung kanyang layup doon. Villar gets that rebound. Passes into the half court. Extra pass. Layup, no good. Cuyos ngayon on the offensive side for Masbate. Extra pass to Evangelista. Nice assist there from Cuyos for that two-pointer of Evangelista. That's a steal by Bulawan. Open. That's a dunk for Bulawan. Another steal here by Team Masbate. Cuyos with the ball. Loses it. Mapupunta sa Mandaon ang possession na ito.
First turnover on the part of Luigi Cuyos on that play. But again, ito na naman partner, yung press na pinapakita nito mga taga Masbate City.
Ayan.
Good hustle on the part of Christian Evangelista. Sabi ko nga sa iyo partner kanina, itong si Christian Evangelista talaga a player to look up dito sa Team Masbate City because of his aggressiveness sa offense, sa defense partner.
Pero ayun, agresibo din dito si Cuyos as he gets that steal for that easy two-pointer again para kay Evangelista. Medyo nahihirapan na coach maitawid ng Team Mandaon itong bola sa kanilang opensa. Kagaya nun, another turnover for Mandaon. Evangelista kicks it to the outside for Cuyos. Three-pointer, no good.
Still struggling itong si Luigi Cuyos sa 3-point line.
Gandang pasa noon for that two-pointer galing kay Cornal Jr. Puts Mandaon in the scoreboard. Pero ayan, Danao, no good sa kanyang 3-point attempt. 7 minutes, 20 seconds remaining mga kaibigan dito sa ating first quarter. Sa ating first game dito sa bayan ng Mobo. 3-pointer there is good para kay Abelyar. 8-5 ang ating score mga kaibigan. Lamang pa rin ng 3 puntos ang Team Masbate. 14 seconds to shoot here para kay Evangelista. Passes to the corner. Danao goes inside. Kicks it to Cuyos. Cuyos thought about that 3-pointer. 5 seconds to shoot. And Cuyos makes that 2-pointer. 5-point lead ngayon para sa Team Masbate. Beautiful pass there to Cornal. Fakes. Pumps it up. No good. Kicks it to the outside. Abelyar goes inside. Extra pass again. 10 seconds na shot clock. Mid-range jumper. No good para sa Mandaon. Stepping on the line dito si Mulyon. That's gonna be a turnover. Pero bago yan mga kaibigan, tawagin muna natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Barbie Floriano for an update. Barbie, ano ang balita dyan?
Thanks Coach Paul and Burns. This is Barbie Floriano, courtside correspondent for Team Masbate City. Coming from an upset game against Team Baleno, Masbate City is eager to win this matchup, redeem themselves, and bounce back from that loss. Ayon nga kay Coach Kyle Rivaral of Masbate, it's a good thing na natalo kami last time kasi nakita namin yung lackings and weakness ng team. This is a battle between young blood and veterans. Team Masbate City's players have greater experience while Mandaon's players are young and fresh to this career. Masbate City's goal for this game is to focus on zone defense, shooters, and fast play. This is the latest from the court side. Now back to the panel.
Yan, maraming salamat Barbie for that update sa ating mga court sides. And ayun nga no coach, masasabi talaga natin na medyo may experience talaga when it comes to playing basketball itong team ng Masbate.
Yes partner, at yun na nga, at early goings pa lang ng ating ball game, talagang pinapahirapan na nila itong mga taga Mandaon. But that's a good pass from Cornal to Candidato Jr. for that 2 points.
Medyo napapansin ko ngayon, medyo nahuhuli talaga ng Mandaon yung mga magagandang passes when it comes to their offense here. Medyo naiiwan yung Masbate doon. Pero ayan, Mandaon on the offense, intercepted there by Evangelista. Ball will go into the hands of Team Masbate. Substitution dito para sa team ng Masbate.
Makipapansin mo partner, platoon substitution ito for Team Masbate City. Kasi gusto nila, ito ata napapansin ko sa game plan nila, no? Fresh legs ang gusto nila dito palagi. Kasi nga dun sa mga trap na binibigay nila.
Pero yan, that's a steal coming from Mandaon. Sila ngayon ang nasa opensa. Ball goes loosely. Maagaw dito ni Marcaida ang bola. Pero ang possession sa kanila pa rin with 22 seconds left dito sa ating shot clock.
Yes, partner. So kung mapansin natin kanina while Barbie is talking, no, may 2-2-1 trap na pinapakita itong Masbate City. But again, ayun ang gusto ng trap. Kung mapapansin mo, dinadala nila sa gilid yung bola.
Yes.
So walang tumatao sa middle for Mandaon. So yun ang gusto ng trap, nasa gilid.
Successful yung strategy talaga kanina ng Masbate as nahihirapan talaga yung Mandaon na maitawid ang bola. Pero ayan, na mid-range jumper from Oreste is good para sa side ng Masbate. 4 minutes and 18 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter, mga kaibigan. Kalahati ang kalamangang hawak dito ng Masbate, 14-7. 10 seconds on the shot clock here para sa Mandaon. Abellar goes inside, loses that ball. That's a steal. Fast break ngayon. Layup there is good para kay Abinuman.
Ayan na naman yung pressure, partner. Ito.
Medyo aggressive talaga ang defensive side dito sa Masbate.
That's a foul.
It's gonna be, I think, a foul called on Axel Armas.
Foul number 11, Axel Armas. First personal foul.
So first foul on Armas at first team foul dito mga taga Masbate City dito. At again, sabi ko nga, partner, talagang early goings ng ating ball game ay talagang pinapahirapan itong mga taga Mandaon na maibaba yung bola na yan. Ito, 15 seconds to shoot.
Long three-pointer there is good para kay jersey number 5, Ramilo, para maibaba ang lamang ng Masbate to just only 6 points. Ayan, corner pass, Oreste with that mid-range, no good, pero may offensive rebound. Putback is good, secured by Armas. Back-to-back points ngayon dito si Armas in the side of Masbate. 8 points ulit ang kalamang hawak dito ng ating Team Masbate. Another turnover for Mandaon. 4-on-2 fast break dito. Armas, fadeaway jumper, no good this time sa kanyang attempt. Offensive rebound, gandang pasa yon. Pero hindi makakapasok ang bola. One more time para sa Masbate. Mid-range, it's good! 2 points para kay Oreste. Double-digit lead na ang hawak, mga kaibigan, ng Masbate dito. Bellar passes it to the inside. Gandang depensa. Kicks it to the outside. 3-pointer again on the corner. No good para sa Mandaon. Offensive rebound. Extra pass. Floater. That's good ngayon para kay jersey number 10, Oliva ng Mandaon.
First 2 points dito ni Oliva on our ball game. But again, maganda pa rin yung pinapakita ng depensa nga nitong mga taga Masbate City. But that's a good look on Oliva on that play.
Kailangan talagang mag-effort ng ating Team Mandaon when it comes to securing their points dito since malakas talaga ang depensang pinapakita ngayon ng Masbate. Pero ayan, Abellar goes inside, passes it again to his teammate Oliva, securing another 2 points para sa Mandaon. Balik sa 8. Balik sa 6, mga kaibigan, ng hawak na kalamangan dito ng Masbate with 1 minute and 50 seconds left sa ating quarter. Inside pass here para kay Marcaida. No good. It's gonna be a foul called on Kalinao Jr. And tatawag dito ng timeout ang Team Mandaon. 1 minute 46 seconds remaining, mga kaibigan, sa ating quarter. 6-point lead pa rin ang hawak ng Masbate. And then, Coach, ano masasabi mo?
Yes, partner, very good on the part of Team Masbate here on pressuring itong mga taga Mandaon. Again, sabi nga natin, yung talagang siguro ang game plan nito ng mga taga Masbate is yung platoon substitution na mapapansin mo. Gusto nila fresh legs yung nasa loob, no, because of that trap and aggressiveness when it comes to defense. So that's why maganda ang pinapakita nila when it comes also to their transition offense, no. So tingnan natin kung may adjustments itong Mandaon coming off this timeout. Sabi ko nga, partner, yun ang gusto nung 2-2-1 trap. Mag-dribble ka na mag-dribble, papuntahin ka sa gilid, and pag wala kang marilis pasan sa middle, medyo mahihirapan ka maibaba ang bola na yan.
Yes, Coach. Pero despite that, no, hindi pa rin masyadong mataas yung kalamangang hawak dito ng
Yes,
team ng
because,
Masbate.
because also may mga good looks din at pag hindi nakukuha nila yung steal, nakaka-basket itong mga taga-Mandaon.
And thus, syempre siguro nakikita natin, no, kahit may mga steals sila, hindi rin masyadong marami or high percentage yung mga fast break points nila from the side of Masbate. Pero ayun, there's a layup pero may foul na tatawagan dito ang ating ref. That's gonna be a foul called on jersey number 11 kay Axel Armas. Kalinao Jr. will shoot 2 free throws here in this quarter. First attempt, no good para kay Kalinao.
Napangiti yun. Nandun yung mga teammates niya because airball yung first free throw. Ito ni Kalinao Jr. Ito si Rene Kalinao.
Second attempt, no good. Pero may chance sana mai-put back yun ang bola. So hindi pumasok. Ball goes out of bounds. Mandaue will still hold this possession with 11 seconds remaining sa ating quarter. Catch and shoot 3-pointer. No good. Ball goes out of bounds. Pero ngayon mapupunta sa Masbate City ang possession. Del Llamas ngayon with the ball. Love pass to the inside here. And tatawagan ng foul dito si I think that's gonna be a Kalinao Jr. Yes. It's gonna be second personal foul in this ball game and a third team foul para sa team ng Mandaon. Del Llamas ngayon, passes it to the corner, mid-range jumper by Oreste, no good, pero may offensive rebound, Marcaida! That beautiful putback. And a chance for a 3-point play para kay Marcaida dito. Grabe, napakalakas ni Marcaida doon on that specific play from Masbate.
It's a good offensive rebound on the part of Marcaida. Talagang parang humingi ng candy partner on that play itong si Marcaida.
Pero yun, converts and one dito si Marcaida. That's another steal. Marcaida with that steal though. Fast break ngayon ng Masbate. Marcaida going all the way coast to coast and securing that 2-pointer para sa Masbate. Another lob pass there, almost gets a steal para sa Masbate. Pero ayan, Mandaon on the offense. Abellar goes inside, fade away jumper. It's good para kay Jempol Abellar.
Ito, partner, si Jempol Abellar meron ng 5 points at very siya lang yung nakikita natin na medyo aggressive dito for team Mandaon when it comes to offense.
Medyo siya ngayon ang nag-a-anchor sa team ng Mandaon when it comes into the offensive side. Pero yan, seconds to play in this quarter. Marcaida open for that 3-pointer. No good. Down ngayon on the offense. Datu with the ball. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds remaining in this quarter. Inside pass. Almost intercepted there by Masbate. 3-pointer is short para kay Datu. Ball goes out of bounds. 0.7 seconds remaining sa ating quarter, mga kaibigan. Football pass there by Marcaida, unsuccessful. And ayun mga kaibigan, the first quarter is over. 16-26 mga kaibigan ang ating score dito. 10 ang kalamangang hawak ng Masbate City. And makikita natin talaga na medyo aggressive.
Yes,
maras yung depensang pinapakita dito ng Masbate.
Aggressive first pa lang. If they made a basket, itong Masbate City talagang papakitaan nila ng 2-2-1 full court trap. But again, good on the part of Mandaon also, not giving up on that. Kung nakita nila na mayroong trap, they keep on attacking in the likes of Abellar and itong si Oliva kanina, partner. But again, sabi nga natin, kasi nga yung game plan talaga nitong mga taga Masbate is to pressure itong Mandaon dito. Dito pa lang sa early goings ng ating group. But again, sabi mo nga, hindi naman masyadong nakakalayo. Partner, just 10-point lead lang yan, partner. Sabi nga natin, yun naman, sana may mga adjustment when it comes to dun sa 2-2-1 trap para mas ma-compose itong mga taga-team Mandaon on bringing down the ball. Kasi pag nagawa nila yon mas magaganda yung offense na gagawin nila. But again, also, they should counter on the defensive side also.
Pero syempre, no coach, despite of that, double effort talaga dito ang Mandaon. Pero syempre, their efforts have been paying out here in this first quarter. Pero let's see if may mga adjustments ang coach dito ng Team Mandaon as we start the second quarter. Ayun na nga, Mandaon now on the offense. Kalinaw to Abellar. Well guarded here by Bulawan. Balik kay Dato ang bola. Dato goes inside. Double team here by Masbate. Mahihirapan maghanap ng mapapasahan dito. Pero fade away. Long range 2-pointer by Abellar is good. Disregarding yung matangkad na player na bumabantay sa kanya. Pero ayan, Cuyos open for 3. It's good. Pag mabibigyan mo talaga ng open space dito si Cuyos, talagang hindi siya magdi-disappoint in this ball game. Pero ayan, triple team. Rapsing passes to Cuyos. Back-to-back points para kay Luigi Cuyos ng Masbate. Another turnover here for down for that easy 2-pointer para kay Rapsing. Another one for Masbate. Another steal here. No good sa layup doon ni Evangelista, pero mayroon pa rin isang steal dito si Rapsing and converts for 2. Grabe ang trapping dito ng Masbate. Substitution dito para sa team ng Mandaon. And medyo chaotic yung sequences of events doon when it comes to...
Yun yung sinasabi natin. No? Sana may adjustment when it comes on diba, on Mandaon bringing down the ball. Kasi, diba?
Biglang lumobo yung kalamangan na...
Oo, yun yung sinasabi natin dito. Kasi nga, kung mapapansin mo, itong mga guards talaga, and not only the guards, but the 5 players inside for Team Masbate, talagang napakakukulit when it comes to defense.
Yes. Pero yan, Kalinaw with the ball. Intercepted by Evangelista. That's another steal for him. Rapsing with the ball. Kicks it to Cuyos. Open for 3. Bang! 3-pointer. Again, para sa key player ng Masbate. Another steal by Evangelista. Cuyos again. Open for 3. This time again. Back-to-back. 3-pointers para kay Cuyos. Ball intercepted again by Masbate. This time, Bulawan with the ball. Easy with that layup. No good sa kanyang attempt doon. Medyo malakas. Ay matatawagan dito ng foul si Evangelista.
Sa first foul ng Evangelista. At napangiti na lang doon si Jeff Bulawan on that layup. It's a sorry miss for him, partner.
Medyo pinaswabi niya ng konti yung layup niya doon eh. Pero ayan. Mandaon on the offense, layup, no good. 3-on-1 here. 3-on-2 I mean. Pero Cuyos again for 3. This time, hindi papasok kanyang 3-point attempt. Grabe ang depensa ang pinapakita dito ng Masbate. Pero ayan, Mandaon still holds the ball. Bellar. Fade away, 3-pointer, no good sa kanyang attempt. Masbate ngayon, nasa opensa. Cuyos kicks it to Evangelista. Beautiful pass there but does not convert that to 2-pointer. Fade away jumper para kay Rapsing. No good. Short. That's a block. Bola mapupunta pa rin sa Masbate. Cuyos heaving away. That's a turnover. Steal by Abellar. 7 minutes, 5 seconds remaining mga kaibigan sa ating first half. Another steal here para sa Masbate. Cuyos open for the 3-pointer. No good sa kanyang attempt. Tatawagan ulit ng foul dito.
Foul number 17,
Evangelista.
Second personal foul. Second team
Yun,
foul.
partner, on that play. That could have been an easy 2 points again for Team Masbate. But again, Cuyos opted to take that shot. Parang sinasabi niya, hit check lang ako dito. But again, that's a sorry miss. Kaya medyo napaturo doon si Christian Evangelista. Dito kaya Luigi Cuyos. But again, partner, sabi nga natin, lamang na lamang ito mga taga Masbate dito. 41-19. This is a 22-point ball game. Because of that sabi mga kanina, very chaotic but magandang depensa na pinapakita nitong mga taga Masbate dito.
Really struggling here to make an offensive strategy or play ng team ng Mandaon. Kaya dito sa timeout na ito, kailangan nilang makapag-isip talaga ng bagong play or bagong strategy to counter yung offense and defense na pinapakita dito ng Masbate. Kanina nung first quarter, I mean, nakakapag-adjust sila sa aggressiveness na pinapakita dito ng Masbate. Pero I think the coach of Team Masbate has changed.
As a better plan, partner, sabi nga natin. But again, ayun, loosen up na yung mga
good for Mandaon.
So, ganun dapat ang gawin nila, no? I-break nila yung trap with passes. Wag dribble ng dribble.
Inside pass there, too strong from Rapsing. It's gonna be a turnover. And kailangan lang ng Mandaon is, I think, maging off guard yung mga passes nila sa Masbate. Beautiful pass there. Again, to Kalinao Jr. Back-to-back points para sa Masbate dito. Rapsing going inside, penetrating. Hanap ng mapapasahan dito. Does not go for the pass. It's gonna be a turnover para sa kanyang shot doon. Belyar, passes to Kalinao. Kalinao, pump fake. Passes to his teammate Datu for 3. No good sa kanyang attempt there. Pass break ngayon dito. Evangelista going all the way for that 2-pointer is good. Belyar ngayon. Heavily guarded here by Evangelista. Double team ngayon. Masbate passes to his teammate Kalinao. Intercepted by Bulawan. 2-on-1. Extra pass. Rapsing. No good sa kanyang attempt. Mandaon. Kalinao secures it. Passes to his teammate for that easy 2-pointer para kay Candidato Jr.
Nakakuha pa ng steal doon, partner.
Grabe, back-to-back points ngayon dito. Umiinit, he-check ang Mandaon. Kaya mapapatawag ang timeout dito ang Masbate. Napapansin nila na medyo lumuluwag.
Yes, partner. Yun nga. At talagang nakakuha na din ng magandang counter nito mga taga-Mandaon. Kung mapansin mo kanina, yung player nila ay may gumigit na partner. Diba? So, yun ang gawin mo. Off the inbound, kuha ng bola, face basket. Pag nakita mo yung teammate mo open on the middle, pasahan mo na. Huwag ka na mag-dribble. Kasi yung gusto, yun ang gusto ng trap. Yun ang gusto ng 2-2-1 trap. No? Mag-dribble ka na mag-dribble and dalhin mo siya dito sa may sideline na part. So, pag yun ang ginawa mo, that's 60, 70, or 80% na talaga ma-steal yan.
So, bottom line is kailangan nilang maging unselfish sa kanilang mga plays na ginagawa.
Yun talaga ang dapat nilang gawin. And of course, also, for Team Masbate City naman, no? Kasi kung napapansin ko din, they are going talaga for the steal. Yung trap naman, minsan ang talagang ginagawa niyan is just to delay. Pag wala kang steal, go on your proper defensive setup. So, yun ang gawin sana nila.
And I think another platoon swap here para sa Masbate. Yung starting five nila ay napansin ko na wala na dito sa ating playing
yun ang sinasabi natin. Every time, fresh legs itong ginagamit itong mga taga Masbate City.
Ayan, 3-on-2 fast break dito para sa Mandaon. Converts that 2-pointer by Rabino. And syempre, coach, no, I think dahil dun sa ganong klaseng depensa na pinapakita ng Masbate, it's really exerting a lot of stamina when it comes to the players of Kaya nag-change 5 talaga dito si coach para mapahingahan yung mga players na iyon. And proven pa rin na effective yung ganong klaseng strategy kasi hindi masyadong exhausted yung mga players.
Yun naman talaga ang ang strategy, no? Yung platoon kasi sabi nga natin kung kaya naman ng first unit and second unit talaga palitan. So, why not, diba?
Why not, oo. Ayan, ball goes out of bounds. That's another turnover on the side of Mandaon. 4 minutes, 21 seconds remaining, mga kaibigan, sa ating first half. 29-45.
So, yun ang sinasabi ko kanina, partner. Kung mapansin mo itong si Ramilo, again, dribbles the ball papunta sa sideline. So, that's another turnover on the part of Mandaon.
And successful yung trapping doon na pinapakita ng Masbate. Pero yan, 3-point attempt is no good. Still, ball possession will go to Masbate City.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds on the shot clock. Marcaida, inside pass. Balik sa kanya ang bola. Goes inside. Extra pass. Intercepted here by Mandaon. And ngayon sila ang nasa opensa. Ramilo with the ball. Kailangan niya dito makapaghanap ng mapapasaan. Goes for the three-pointer instead. Offensive rebound. Extra pass. Kicks it to the outside.
And the shoot.
Ramilo goes inside. Fade away jumper. No good. That's short. Open here ngayon. Layup. Oh, good. Para sa Masbate dito. And Del Llamas gets a foul instead and will shoot 2 points dito.
Sobrang sinigurado niya, partner, talagang lumampas.
Siguro na-excite siya doon sa kanyang attempt eh. Daming nag-aabang na mga teammates niya.
Yung mapansin mo, papunta pa lang siya doon sa bola, yung mga teammates siya nakatayo na eh.
Na-excite talaga siguro dito. First attempt, no good para kay Del Llamas. Second attempt dito. Hindi, kailangan niya ditong may convert yung free throw niya para ma-hype yung mga teammates niya. Second attempt is good para kay Del Llamas. And ayun nga, na-excite yung mga teammates niya na nandito sa bench. Pero natatawagan ng foul dito si Del Llamas.
Elias Del Llamas.
It's gonna be his first personal foul and third team foul para sa team ng Masbate. Ang taon ngayon, nasa opensa, lob pass on the inside, Kalinaw, triple team, pero ang gandang pasa doon to Ramilo, converts for 2.
Kevin Ohiba.
Pero yun, nakakaltusan na naman ang kalamangang hawak dito ng Masbate. Nice effort here on the side of Mandaon, 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining. Del Llamas with that turnover, hindi niya nakita.
Oo, miscommunication on the part of Binuman and Del Llamas on that play. But again, another steal partner for Team Masbate.
Armas now with the ball, goes inside, layup. Easy two-pointer there para kay Armas. And I think Mandaon needs to spread out their players here para hindi sila masyadong natatrap ng Masbate. Cornal with the ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Cornal open for that three-pointer, no good. Ball goes out of bounds. Pupunta sa Mandaon ng bola.
Lane review.
And I think tatawag ata ng challenge dito.
Yes, partner. On that last play, may konting lambingan itong si Oliva at itong si Del Llamas on that play.
Pero yan, mga kaibigan, 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. 31-48 ang hawak na kalamangan dito.
Yes, partner. And of course, itong Ako Bicol Cup, Masbate ay atin sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. So ayun, partner, this is just the first game of our double header for this afternoon. Mamaya po, ang labanan naman ng home team Mobo at ang mga taga-Balod sunod po dito.
Magandang laban yun, partner.
Oo, so titingnan natin kung ano ang call dito on that review. Kasi nga, sabi nga natin, every time may review center tayo, so if there is an act of violence on the court, so madali nating makita yan, partner.
Yeah.
So,
syempre, at the end of the day, your opponents here in the hard court should still be your friends when it comes to the outside. Syempre, yung sportsmanship pa rin kailangan
basketball is a physical game. Totoo yun. But above dun sa physicality na ginagawa mo, yung mga excessive naman. So, hindi na siguro hindi na siguro necessary at hindi na pwede. And of course, hindi mo kailangan gawin yon. If you're Masbate City, hindi mo kailangan gawin yon kasi lamang na lamang kayo. And if you're Mandaon naman, no need to retaliate on those physical na ginagawa nitong mga taga Masbate City dito. This is just, sabi nga natin, by the end of the day, this is just a basketball game, no?
So, just a game.
So, again, dito po, while waiting for our the right call for the referee, and ito po, belated happy birthday, Jade Raiden Guerrero from your daddy, Elmer Guerrero. Belated happy birthday, Jade Raiden Guerrero. And of course, batiin natin ang ating butihing commissioner na si Commissioner Lloyd Rivera, ang assistant commissioner na si Sir Ino Rivera. Hello po. And of course, Orneta of Infinity Media Broadcasting Company, and of course si Direct Christian Calleja dito sa atin sa Ako Bicol. And of course, yung mga hardworking men and women of Ako Bicol Cup. Hello po. And the committee, hello po. Kay Wada, John Bachiller, hello Wadi. See you on 19 ata, punta na dito si Wadi.
Pero yan, mukhang nahirapan ma-review ng ating mga officials yung challenge of review na hiningi dito ng ating mga teams.
Natin yan.
Let's listen kung ano yung magiging call dito ng ating mga officials. Ball possession mapupunta sa team ng Mandaon.
Ito. Balik ang bola sa mga taga Mandaon dito.
14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds to make a play para sa team ng Mandaon dito. Fadeaway 3-pointer para kay Abellar. No good. Llamas ngayon with the ball. With the momentum. Beautiful pass there to Linuman. That's good. Side of Masbate. Llamas with the steal. Balik kay Armas ang bola. Layup. No good. Mama sa backboard yung pasa doon ni jersey number 10 Oliva. That's gonna be ball possession on the side of Masbate. Beautiful pass there but does not convert that two-pointer. Put back, no good pa rin. Pero ayan, third time's charm para dito. Masbate wala pa rin sa ika-4, ika-5. Tingnan natin. If the ball will go in, kailangan dito mag-reset ng Masbate. Llamas, 3-pointer, no good. Down secures that rebound. Kalina with the ball. Balik kay Abellar ang bola. Abellar naghanap ng papapasahan. Balik kay Kalinaw ang bola. To the corner, Oliva. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Abellar pointer. No good. Bounce. Masbate City ball. 1 minute, 25 seconds remaining sa ating quarter. Still, Masbate holding the lead in this ball game. Llamas very aggressive on that early plays kanina. Corner pass here to Alinuman. Balik kay Llamas ang bola. Inside pass to Marcaida. Marcaida muscling inside. Almost intercepted there by Mandaon. Marcaida, that's a block from Mandaon. And matatawagan ng foul dito si Armas.
Sa second foul na Axel Armas dito sa ating ball game with 1 minute and 1 second remaining po. Abante pa rin dito ang mga taga Masbate City.
Warning for penalty na dito ang Masbate City. Pero yan, less than a minute remaining sa ating quarter. Mandaon, nahihirapan maitawid ang bola dito sa half court. Pero ayan, Abellar goes all the way. Layup, no good. Masbate on the offense. Oreste, lob pass to Llamas. That's good. 38 seconds remaining sa ating quarter. Abellar going inside. Mismatch tayo dito. Layup, that's good. Beautiful layup there coming from Abellar. 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating quarter. Llamas taking his time with this ball. 1 second ang differential between the shot clock and game clock. Marcaida now holding the ball. Goes inside, penetrates, layup. That's good para kay Marcaida. And that's gonna be the end of our first half, mga kaibigan. 54-33 ang ating score dito. Lamang ang Masbate City. Coach, ano ang masasabi mo sa first half?
Grabe partner, grabe ang pinakitang depensa nito mga taga Masbate City dito. And again, sana makahanap ng mga adjustments itong Mandaon na para makabalik sila dito sa ball game nito. Kasi sabi nga natin, kung wala naman yung mga trap na yon and yung mga unforced turnovers na sinasabi natin, for sure malapit ito itong larong ito. But again, tingnan natin on the next half. But again, itong Ako Bicol Cup Masbate partner ay atid sa atin ni Congressman Saldico at ang katabang na kasurog pa. Magbabalik po kami.
Multipurpose Buena Vista, Multipurpose Building, Legazpi